Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I've got the pleasure of showing you around this 2017 Jaguar XE R Sport. Now this is the 2-litre diesel automatic, so super on fuel, wonderful to drive, an absolute gorgeous car. This has just done over 30,000 miles, so a very nice low mileage car with a great combination on this, some very nice features that are additional extras over the basic car. Now this one's finished in the Firenze red metallic, which is a wonderful colour for this car, and then it's got the colour contrast internally of the black and ivory leather interior, so a real sense of occasion when you look all the way around it. Now this car we've supplied before to the last keeper, who has then had a change in circumstance and brought it back, and we purchased it back off him. So let me take you around it because it really is an exceptional car throughout. A very nice car, because when you look at it you can just tell it's been cherished. Now this car rides on the 17-inch Aerodynamic alloys, these are called, so very fuel efficient tyres on those. The rolling resistance is very low, so that gives you exceptional fuel economy. Now when you look around it, because it's only done 30,000 miles, but it's only done 30,000 easy miles, it's not been at the back of a high-speed chase on the motorway, you can tell it's been very lightly used. Now all the wheels are in absolutely A1 condition. Now when we pre-delivery inspect it in our service department, it gets a full 180 28-point check. We remove the wheels, we wash them, and we detail the discs and the calipers so that they look as good as they did when they left the showroom. Round the vehicle it's free from any real trolley dent or parking mark. Now this one's got parking sensors to the front and to the rear, and it's got the optional extra of a reversing camera. So parking wise you've got the full system. Boots on these are very nice, they're lovely. We've got the AdBlue system there for the diesel, and then underneath the boot floor we've got the parking spare wheel inflation kit and towing eye battery there as well. So super sized boot, real boot spoiler on the back there as well. But again, the driver's side mirrors that of the passenger, just really free from any real parking knock. To say this is a 6-year-old vehicle, having only done 30,000 miles in 6 years, very lightly used, and you can tell. Looking down again the sides, just look at the sheen on that Firenze red. It really is a gorgeous colour. Any Jaguar in it looks absolutely super. Highlights the silver detail, the R Sport power vents in the wings with the R Sport there. But let's have a look inside, because this has got to be the best colour combination you can get on any Jaguar, the ivory and the black leather. On the door cards it's got there, and you can see the contrast stitch. 4 electric windows, electric door mirrors. We get R Sport silver detail on the sill plates, and then that seat is absolutely gorgeous. Just look at it. The condition of it is really high class. It's been well maintained. We don't have a smoker in here. There's no real tears, plucks or damage. 30,410 miles as I start the car up there. No warning lights on the vehicle whatsoever. Now internally we've got lane change warning system. The reversing camera, as I said, as soon as you put the gear stick into reverse, it puts the parking lines as well. This car has got obviously standard sat nav, electric windows. We've got then climate control, which we can, again, front seats there are heated and climates there. Always press the home button, it takes it back to the home screen, and then you can just press each screen for the nav and the Bluetooth as well. Got auxiliary as well. We've got driving mode, so we can adjust the driving modes depending on the weather. Leather stitching on the dashboard follows through on this lovely rounded off dashboard. A very nice cabin to be in these. Automatic dimming centre mirror, but look at the interior. As I say, a non-smoked in car, still has that fresh new smell. Got tailored mats in as well. In the centre armrest then we've got your USB auxiliary and 12-volt charger, as well as your SD card for the sat nav. What a wonderful vehicle. I can't say more than automatic wipers, automatic headlamps. You can have the radio and the systems up on the screen there. Very, very nice indeed. A real nice car. Revs lovely. Now, let's have a look in the back, because the back is just as good as the front. Very lightly used. In fact, look at the mats. They don't even look like they've been stood on, those mats. But again, internally, it's a 10 out of 10 from me, this. Absolutely fantastic. Didn't really need valeting. It came in off the last keeper, as nice as it looks here. However, obviously it gets a full detail in here at Alpha, washed inside, leather conditioned. But what a wonderful vehicle. Now, if you like any more info, give us a call. There's Graham, there's Dominic and Lee on sales. We'll be happy to help you in any way. You can buy this car in full confidence. We'll take a reservation deposit on it if you only want to visit Wigan once. We can have it ready for you to drive away in the same day. So give us a call and we'll explain what we do so that you can do that. Part exchange, no problem. Finance, yes. We can do everything over the phone. Check out our reviews, check out our socials. You'll see lots of customers from all over the UK doing exactly what you're thinking. They reserve a car, we prepare it, and then they come and pick it up. Check out our Facebook, you'll see them all picking them up from all over the UK. Scotland, London, Wales, you name it, we can make it happen. But as for now, thanks for watching our video, and I look forward to your inquiry.